Here is a 1967 Bridgestone 350 GTR, restored to the highest standard possible by a very well-known motorcycle restorer. Correct to every single nut and bolt. It's a multiple show winner, even winning at Stafford. Cannot fault this bike. Bike comes complete with full restoration pictures and information on CD. There's even a complete book to show the restoration. This is probably the best 350 GTR in the world. Photographic evidence of the engine rebuild. I'll start it up to let you hear it. Usually starts first kick. I fired it up 10 minutes ago, so it should be a little bit warm.